Today, we are going to speak about programs that are giving you a chance to legally work and travel in the country of your choice. These programs are not free, but having a working visa will let you spend more time in the country and earn money in the local currency. I even know people who came back with money they earned while working and traveling abroad. I'm sure this information will be useful for you, and I'm happy to share my knowledge with you. The first program is Work and Travel United States. This program is quite popular. More than 100,000 foreign students come under this program to the United States yearly. This program provides an opportunity to work and explore the country. You need to be a student aged 18 to 30, have good English, and be able to commit to working for at least 3 months. It is a must to have a job offer in advance. In order to apply, you need to find a program provider in your country. They will help you step by step. I was in the United States in 2014 as a work and travel participant. It was a very useful experience, but I would be lying if I said it was easy. I worked in an inflatable water park in Massachusetts under the hot sun with a lot of kids. Back then, it seemed like hard work, but now I can only remember the good times. My coworkers were from different countries, and we had a lot of fun together. Work and travel gives you a chance to feel like a local and to better understand the country. It is a good way to earn money and travel around the United States. The second program is Working Holiday Visa in Australia. The Working Holiday Visa gives you an opportunity to travel and work in Australia for a year. It is a great way to explore the country. My dream is to rent a car and drive through Australia. Maybe I should apply to this program too.
Mordecai, where are we?
One very important thing to keep in mind, you cannot work for the same employer for more than 6 months. You're allowed to study for 4 months under this visa. If you're planning to take a short course in Australia, you can do this as well. In order to apply, you need to be between 18 to 31, be in good health, have no children, have proof of sufficient funds, and come from an eligible country. Belgium, Canada, Republic of Cyprus, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Republic of Ireland, Italy, Japan, Republic of Korea, Malta, Netherlands, Norway, Sweden, Taiwan, and the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. The cost of the visa is 450 Australian dollars. Don't miss the chance to apply. The last program is Working Holiday Visa in New Zealand. This visa is very similar to the Australian one, but this time you will explore and work in New Zealand for 1 year. By the way, certain special conditions allow you to obtain another visa for a second year in Australia or New Zealand. To apply for a visa, you need to be between 18 to 30, have enough finances, and be in good health. If you're coming from the United Kingdom or Canada, you can get your visa for 23 months. With this visa, you can study for 6 months compared to 4 months in Australia. There is a list of eligible countries, but the list is long, so I'm going to link all of that down below. The dates to apply depend on which country you are applying from. I learned about the program around a year ago from my friend. He told me it was the best year of his life. He was surrounded by smiling, happy, open people and the amazing beauty of the nature. If you always wanted to travel to Australia or New Zealand, these programs are the best option for you. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!